episode of Stitch on Saturday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Tunisian Full Stitch, and using my Clover Takumi 5mm Tunisian crochet hook and Line brand Feels Like Butter yarn. And let's get started. Basically I have 8 stitches here, and it's basically a repeat of 2 rows. In the first row, what you're going to do is you are going to skip the space between the first 2 stitches and go into the space between the second and third stitch. So go in, pull up a loop, and then continue pulling up a loop into the spaces between the stitches. So you're not working into the stitch, you're working into the spaces between the stitches. So I'm going to pull up a loop in between the rest of the stitches and then work the last stitch as normal. And then you're just going to do a normal return pass. And then the second row in the repeat, you are going to go into the space between the first 2 stitches, pull up a loop, and then continue pulling a loop up between all the stitches. So just go in and pull up a loop, and then when you get to the last 2 stitches, you're not going to go into the space between those 2 stitches, and you're just going to work into the last stitch, and then again do a normal return pass. And that's it. It's a 2-row repeat, and that's how you do it. And look at the beautiful texture it gives. So basically what you're doing, again to recap, is in the first row you're going to skip the space between the first 2 stitches and work into the space between the second and third bar, and then continue picking up a loop into the spaces between all the stitches, and then work into the last stitch as normal, and then do a normal return pass. And then in the second row of the repeat, you are going to go into the space between the first 2 stitches and continue picking up a loop into the spaces again. And then you're going to skip the last space here, and then just work into the last stitch as you normally would, and then just do a normal return pass. And that's it. That's how you work the Tunisian full stitch. And look at that beautiful texture. Isn't that gorgeous? So I hope you like this tutorial. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow along, and watch for more tutorials. See you next time.